The CleverReach agency solution gives you the choice of different billing models for your subaccounts. Option 1 is to purchase email quotas and then allocate parts of them to your customers in the subaccounts. Log into your main account and select the menu item Agency. This is where you can select the right subaccount. The tab Invoicing leads you to the Transfer Email Quota settings. Here, you can specify the exact number of emails allocated to each subaccount as its sending quota. If you do not have enough email quota, you can purchase additional sending volume in this section of the menu. Another option is for your agency to take full responsibility for all invoices your customers generate for everything they send out. This method is useful for service providers offering additional services, such as creating templates, managing recipients, and creating content for customers. This makes it easy to put together a total invoice for all your services. You can also set up the subaccounts to cover their own expenses. In this case, you will receive a commission on the amount your customer pays. The commission will be paid by the 15th day of the following month. You can keep the commission as profit or give it to your customers as a discount, whichever you prefer. What's important? The customer must be recruited through your agency. Existing CleverReach accounts that are subsequently assigned to your agency are excluded from the commission scheme. To sum things up, with the CleverReach agency solution, you've got a bunch of ways to bill your customers for sending out newsletters. You can either give the subaccounts their own email quotas, or just take over the invoices from CleverReach and then bill your customers individually. Another convenient option is to have the subaccounts pay their own bills. In both cases, you benefit from attractive commissions. For more tips on using our agency solution, visit our Help Center or check out our agency playlist.